we went ahead, cut the section out, this section out here, the bottom piece. But what I'm going to do is we're going to install a inspection panel. So next time you can just pop it out and take a look. So an inspection panel goes here. You want to mark it. So that's where we're going to go. This is the area for the inspection panel. So I didn't screw it in yet. So what you want to do, you want to go a little wider, a little outside, since we mark from the inside, and we need this to sit. You just need that much thickness so this can actually recess inside the drywall. So what you do, you can either take a straight edge and you can mark it. Just come back a little bit. Or what you can do, what I usually do, I usually take my pencil and just lay it along there with a lead that's on the outside and just go like this. So this is the line we want to cut. We got plenty of room for coverage, so don't worry about it. This area is going to cover any opening space. I'll take a knife.